Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, environmental preservation. Environmental preservation means protecting the nature world including forest, ocean, animal and air from damage caused by human activities. It focusing of keeping nature in its original untouched state. This means avoiding population, deforestation, and overcost of natural resources. The main goal of preservation is to maintain ecosystem just as they are not only for use but also for future generation. Unlike environmental conservation which follow for sustainable use, preservation often means limiting completely stopping human activities in certain areas. Why is this important? Because the earth environmental supports all life. When we damage it's by cutting down forests, populating rivers. We hurt ourselves to clean air, fresh water, and healthy soil all come from nature. And there are not unlimited some key strategies for environmental preservation include creating protect areas like national parks and wildlife reserves, using renewable energy instead of fossil fuel, re- reducing waste and population and educating people about sustainable habits. In conclusion, environmental preservation is about respecting and protecting nature. Earth of us can make a difference by making small but meaningful changes in our daily lives. lives. It aims to maintain the integrity of ecosystem, biodiversity, and natural resources for present and future generations. This involves a wide range of action for protecting individual species to managing entire landscape. Goals. The primary goal is to maintain the health and resilience of ecosystem. This includes protecting biodiversity, the variety of life of Earth.